I lose it. I lost my drone. Yeah, kiitos. I'm lucking out. Okay, let's see how strong it is. Oh, it's good. I'm really lucking out. This is absolutely free. You can do it. You can do it. Can you get them going in opposite directions? Can you get them going in opposite directions?
I don't know how to use this, but
I think it would take me a little bit. I think I can do it. Yeah, I could try it. I'll give it a try. I got it. I'm going. Opposite? No, I can't stop way. What's your name?
Kami.
Hi. Hey. What's the favorite thing? What's the one thing you love about Finland?
I don't know what to tell. I hate cold.
Sitten meillä on esittelijät, jotka esittelevät omaa harrastustoimintaansa.
Okay, so we got the love and the hate right there. All right.
There is a lot of hate and love.
Yeah.
Are you ready? Are you ready? Well, you better get ready.
Redi opened its doors in Kalasatama, Helsinki on September 20th, 2018. Redi has 63,000 square meters of space for retail stores, which makes it one of the Finland's largest shopping centers. The center is located in intersection of the major highways Itäväylä and Lahdenväylä. Its location in harbor area and it's part of Kalasatama, which has always been a busy trading area. One of the key features is that it can bring commuters to the shopping center with metro connected and built right into it. Another key feature is that it includes a climbing area, the free-fall wind tunnel, Föni, and located on the roof of the center. SRV was Redi's project investor and was the largest construction project with a total value of over 1 billion euros.
Now this is coming to the third floor.
Okay. Hi. Hey, moi moi. Where did you go? Okay. So this is the first time here. I heard you guys are you had just opened a week ago?
Yeah.
Okay. So are you guys just directing everybody to where things are?
We're actually just helping you find like wherever you need to go inside the
okay.
place.
I heard
Cool.
people were saying this is like a labyrinth, you know, you got lost.
Then that's how you feel by the time you get done lost.
Yeah, well, probably.
They're so confused and conflicted. Hey, we can count how many coffee shops we find.
Oh, that one.
Wouldn't it?
Actually, you can get coffee from there also.
2. Yeah, this is where you could drop your kids off and then get lost and then try to figure out where you put your kids. Looks like they didn't really finish this side. Or they need more light.
There's like room for
Oh, so
more
there's...
places to come, yeah.
Right.
Next door to the metro, where it's like...
Oh, is there any more floors to this place?
Yes, now we are at the floor 3. There's like a map somewhere. There.
Well, maybe it's a... Okay, what's this? Oh, wow. You killed it. You broke it.
You're here. I was just thinking where we can... There. Modern technology doesn't work as well as it should be. Yeah, because it's in a 5 park roof. What is made of? It's made to park
Of AstroTurf.
and park. You know. And
Oh, right.
It's like in 2 different parts.
Oh, okay. So we're up to 2 official, right? And then 1 convenience store with coffee. You probably get coffee cups off of that tree. It's just like when you're done, it just like poof, pops another one.
House, you know.
All right, so we're getting closer. And it's real grass. It's not AstroTurf. Nice. If you wanted to, you can get stuff from downstairs and have a little picnic food. There you go, picnic benches. To go around this and go back where we came.
I read somewhere that people who went here, like when they opened this place and blah 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 this week, I read some critics that it's all complaining that this is like a labyrinth. You got lost here and you can find nothing. You know?
Visitors to Redi have complained about getting lost there and not finding the shops that they're looking for, and not even finding the way out. After the first week's rush, the number of visitors has dropped down significantly. The shopkeepers are now afraid to lose business because the number of visitors has not turned out the way it was expected.
We can go through the obstacle course and find our way back. Really, essentially, they need to do is put up more guided signs. Oh, oh, hey, I got this. Parkour. I fell in. You can go down the steps, but I don't think you would find. I think that'll go to outside tour.
This goes down. There's some coffee place on.
Hey, again, another one. Yay.
It's Robert's coffee. I think we have to go get a cup of coffee.
We're getting a sign. It's the sign we gotta get coffee. We need more coffee.
What do you find? Oh, coffee place. Okay, let's have one.
Okay, apparently you'll find an abundant amount of coffee places during the day, but
They built a huge shopping center with lots of coffee places. Great business idea.
yeah, because you know what? Then you'll have a lot of happy, buzzy people that want to shop. Wait. Milk a latte. Wait,
Coffee place.
4. Why is that right? I'm up to 4. Hey, wait a sec. Can you see down to the store? Oh my gosh. Hey, look! You can! It is the magic tree of coffee.
You can see inside someone's coffee mug.
I actually can!
Okay, so now we are on this side of the track. There's one more.
6. So this is the guide that helps get you through the mall. And we just went through all the floors. It gives you an idea of what's on each floor, so you won't get lost. Yeah, I think we went on this side though.
Wasn't upstairs, but there was more places.
I'll just follow you. Well, what floor is Metro on? 3? 3.
I think it's
Three.
this floor. From there you can get to the metro.
No name coffee shop?
Yeah.
Oh no, it is. There's a name, it's just very small.
I think we are up to 10 now.
Yes, we just hit virtual city. He needs oil. And he's trying to beckon people to come in. He hasn't figured out how to wave hi yet, maybe. Yeah, he's like doing that. Yeah.
What if that robot takes a cup of coffee? Would it be more faster?
Maybe. Yeah, he's having a rough time. He probably does need some coffee.
Down where we came.
Okay.
Hey, let's go down and more. That's the place where we have.
Yeah. So like there's a basement? Yeah, there is. Oh my gosh, yeah. Okay, it's more crazy busy down here. Oh wait, there's more. Movies. It's self-serve. So it's like self-serve. You pay for your ticket. I figured out, right? Get it? You pay for your ticket. Whatever. Well, first you pick the movie you want. You pay for your ticket. It prints you out a ticket. Then if you want, look, excuse me, it's self-serve refreshments. Get it? So you go here, you pick what you want. Yep, you weigh it up, and then you pay for whatever it says. And oh, look, it's like a vending, kinda. Except there's actually a humans attending. Yeah, so, but you still check out. Look, look. So you get what you want, and you scan it up, I suppose. Yeah. So you get one of, you get whatever you want. And you can pay for it over here, and then, or you can choose to use a human. Good question. What's the apple sinkus?
Never heard, I don't know.
It sounds like it's something that has apple, and it's going to sink us.
Yeah. Apple problem.
I'll try that one. Wooden slabs to be served on. Okay. Apple sinkus. I don't know how to pronounce it, so it's the one under cappuccino. What he said. Yes, what you said. I didn't know they did all that. I just thought it was because
Also, you got to have Finnish chocolate.
you got a leaf in yours. French roasted. This is the apple sinkus. So what, is this like the after chocolate mint? After
Yeah,
chocolate?
they give it away.
Now we'll see how eye-popping this is. It's actually the blue form. Whoa, that's the strong part. Not bad.
Some amusement parks you have,
Yeah, like swings. There's swings. Look, there's actual swings. Here you go, so you can. See, she's got the right idea. We're here at the skate park, and it's called SUVILAHTI. Help. SUVILAHTI.
town area is like SUVILAHTI.
SUVILAHTI. So is that why they say latte? Latte. Oh, I screwed it up. It didn't work. It didn't go as planned. I'll have to try it again. Wait, I'm determined. Let me get a running head start. Woohoo! I got it. Woohoo! This is like day 2 of trying to figure this place out. Food court. What do you even know about? Although I'm still trying to figure out how to get out. I don't think Jani even seen this. I don't even think we went this far. Oh, wait, there's a buffet. So it's a food court. Oh, so how do you get out? Now I want to get out. There's like so much more to this place. Who designed this mall? You need more signs. It's fun, but you need more signs. And that was Redi.
Hey everybody, thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, and share.
We call it the tree house. So you can just climb in there and it's pretty cool.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah.